Hi everyone! So nandito ako sa one of the North Cyprus village. It was called Badim Likoy. So tingnan mo you guys, yung view guys. Ang matatanaw mo guys is surrounded by mountains. At saka yung village na pinapakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan, itong village na to na matatanaw mo is one of the village here also in Northern Cyprus, and we call this village Yeşilermak. We can find a strawberry farm in this village. So ang ganda talaga dito guys. Ang tahimik. Meron ka talagang peace of mind sa ganda ng village na to. Puro kabundukan. So ang tahimik. Parang nasa countryside ka talaga. Tapos ang ganda, matatanaw mo yung view.